What up?
Uptown Swing.
Level 4.
Sharing your voice with
Brian and
Carrie.
we started with this little catch. All right, step, triple, catch, and triple step.
Followers, we talked about really committing to your left side and leaders allowing the follower to extend your arm rather than forcing it to happen.
Yeah, I'll show that once. Leaders, instead of choosing the endpoint, I chose that endpoint. Carrie moves my hand a little bit. Great. Then we took it into a slow feeling of, hey, a swing out.
Yep, followers just chilling out, really living on that left side.
And then we took it with a little bit of zip. So it's immediately a triple step. We talked about leaders having a little bit more intention on getting your partner to zip out there and wanting to ask them to really stay on that left side.
Yep. And then we did a hard pivot and we looked at our tuck turn down the line in 8 counts. This is the base move.
Hey.
Ba-boom,
Turn, triple step, hey.
And then followers, we talked about that you can add an extra turn in that triple step. A step, triple step. Boom, boom. Just take your arms away when you do it.
That's what we did.
Bye.